The 2026 GMC Savana 6600 van isn't just a vehicle. It's a moving fortress of luxury and technology. Imagine driving across the country with first-class comfort, power that dominates every road, and design that turns every head. Welcome to the Car Truth. Today, we're taking a look at the incredible 2026 GMC Savana 6600 van, a masterpiece that blends raw power, futuristic luxury, and the unmatched confidence of American engineering. At first glance, the Savana 6600 doesn't look like an ordinary van. Its muscular front grille, high-gloss chrome finish, and LED matrix headlights create a dominating presence. The double-deck structure gives it a commanding look, almost like a luxury hotel on wheels. GMC has completely redefined what comfort means in a van. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that feels more like a five-star suite than a vehicle. The seats are wrapped in premium Napa leather with heated and ventilated functions. The smart cabin lighting automatically adjusts its color temperature based on time of day, creating a peaceful and relaxing environment for travelers. A panoramic roof floods the cabin with natural light, and with a touch of a button, it can transform into a starlit ceiling at night. The 2026 Savana 6600 runs on GMC's newly developed hybrid turbo diesel engine, delivering both power and efficiency. With an incredible towing capacity and all-wheel drive system, it's ready for any adventure. Whether you're crossing the mountains or cruising along the coast, the adaptive air suspension ensures an ultra-smooth ride, no matter the terrain. The cockpit is a tech lover's dream. A 15-inch floating touchscreen dominates the dashboard, offering full control over navigation, entertainment, and smart home integration. The digital instrument cluster is customizable, giving drivers a futuristic feel every time they start the engine. GMC's AI assistant responds to voice commands, adjusting temperature, music, and even lighting preferences without touching a button. One of the standout features of the Savana 6600 is its second-floor lounge. Yes, you heard that right. An elevated relaxation zone equipped with a mini-bar, recliners, and a 180-degree viewing window. It's the perfect space to enjoy sunset views or a midnight movie while parked at your favorite scenic spot. Safety is top tier too. The Savana 6600 comes equipped with GMC's Guardian Safety Suite, including 360-degree cameras, lane assistance, blind spot detection, and an autonomous emergency braking system. You're not just traveling in luxury, you're traveling in peace of mind. With the 2026 GMC Savana 6600 Motorhome, GMC has created something beyond imagination, a symbol of innovation, power, and absolute comfort on wheels. It's not just transportation, it's transformation. For more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to The Car Truth.